Alright, so I got an old school unboxing today. So for people who are familiar with this is nothing new. But for some people, especially younger people, they might not know what this is. So let's go ahead and open this up. And this is what we have. We have a Palmcorder or a camcorder. And I used this when I was really young as a kid. And this is way before the days that everybody had smartphones with cameras and stuff like that. So if you were somebody who was a video enthusiast, this is it. And this was using VHS-C. And let me show you how those tapes kind of look like. So I have some right here. There's a Panasonic tape here. And then I also have one from Sony as well. It's a high 8. Check that out. There are many different types, and that looks really cool as a matter of fact. But the star of the show is this camcorder, or Palmcorder as they like to call it. And there it is. There's your viewfinder there. There's some controls on there. It goes to like 12 times zoom. There's a handle. And funny enough, this is actually from Panasonic. And nowadays I use a Panasonic camera. And obviously Sony is here as well. So that is just an old school look at how people who love video, this is what we use. And ones that were bigger than this. But this was just really fun to see this and how far that we come in terms of technology. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave it in the comments area below. And I'll see you on another episode.